Second day ngayon. At pupunta kami sa ano tawag dito? Sa bus station para bumili ng permanent card ni Pao. Kasi super expensive ng card kapag hindi monthly yung yung card mo na bus card. So, bibili kami ng bus card ni Pao. Matandi. So, pagkatapos ng bibisitahin muna namin kukuha muna kami ng card, tapos bibisitahin namin yung car kung saan nakaparke sa public parking, kung okay lang ba si car. Super ganda ngayon ng weather. I think it's 26, 25, love. No?
It's not that hot, yeah, you're right.
It's very nice. I think it's perfect. The weather is
Well,
perfect.
could be more cool,
Could be more, but I'm not complaining.
but it's afternoon already.
Exactly.
The heat.
See. Oh, I think I'm a foreigner. So, nandito na kami sa bus station. Ito siya.
We'll see if the ChatGPT not lying.
Yeah. You're gonna see, love. Papasok kami dun sa loob. We'll see. Okay, so andito na kami. Tarjeta Transporte Publico. Dito na kami. Andito kami ngayon sa harap ng Tarjeta Transportasyon Publico. At nakakall ako ngayon dito sa 012 para magpedir ng sita, para mag-appointment. Kasi hindi kami pinayagan na gawa ng ID na transportation without the appointment. So, ngayon tinatry ko. Pagdating kasi dito sa Madrid, kailangan mo maghintay ng matagal sa call. So, ngayon, nakita ni Pao yung page kasi kanina ayaw mag-open. Iniscan niya yung QR code. Ngayon, okay na. So, let's see kung ano mangyari.
I need a Spanish number,
My number.
or a new number I will get.
6. Iniciar buscada por fecha de gestión. Avenida. Ayun na, no.
Comunidad de Madrid, buenas tardes, la tienda Conchi, ¿en qué podemos ayudarle?
Hola, es que quiero pedir cita para la tarjeta transporte público. Y, vale.
¿Es solo una tarjeta?
Sí, solo una tarjeta.
¿Para adulto, para joven?
Para adulto.
Por primera vez, ¿verdad?
Sí, para primera vez.
Vale. Vale, ¿qué documento de identidad me puede aportar?
Pasaporte
¿De qué país?
de Lituania. Sí,
Madrid.
en Avenida de América.
Vale. Ya tiene que ser la semana que viene, a partir del miércoles. No
A
sé qué día
partir de
prefiere.
miércoles, vale. ¿Hasta qué hora se puede hacer eso?
Están hasta las 10 de la noche, pero hay que ver si quedan horas libres. Depende del día que quiera.
Vale,
¿Quiere que mire
entonces,
el miércoles u otro día?
está bien, miércoles. Veremos.
Gracias por llamar.
Gracias a ti, gracias. Igualmente, saludo, chao. Okay, so nakapag-book na kami ng sita.
I
Next
think we'll
naman.
do faster with online the one I could
Next
do
naman.
exactly the same.
Mas mobil. Eh? This is your SIM, no?
Yep.
Ya está. Muchas gracias. Ya está. Vale. Por fin. Malood man tayo dito. Nakabili na lang po ng SIM. Home SIM si Pao. Pili tayo ng load. At sa aking mother. Kaya, tapos yung So, okay na. Okay, ganyan na yung ano rito sa Spain. May makina sila dyan. Diyan ka mismo maglo-load. Tapos di ka pala nakabukas. Okay na ako. Again, sa aking mother naman. Bonus Lebara. Okay, ganyan lang siya rito sa Madrid. Ito, papaload ako ng ano, sa akin si mama kasi sabay mag-expired yung SIM naming dalawa. I mean, mag-expired yung SIM, mag-expired yung data. So, kailangan na namin. Kasi sayang yung data na na-accumulate kung maabutan ng expiration. So, better makapag-load na. So, yan. Appear siya dyan. And then, pagpa-load na, SIM naman. Okay. Vamos. So, dito kami nag-aayos sa Avenida America. Avenida de America na station ng SIM saka ng bus card. But ngayon pupunta naman kami sa aeropuerto kasi doon lang yung available na kumuha ng transporte publiko ngayong araw na to. So 5 PM yung sita namin, yung appointment, at punta na kami doon after this. Hola, 2 billete por pa.
¿Cuántos?
2.
3 euros.
Vale. Gracias. Only 150.
Huh?
Only 150.
How much is expected?
3.
3 euro?
Because in the 3-digit bus.
But it's aeroporto.
But I cannot scan this 100%.
You haven't go with the metro, right, to aeroporto?
I did it many times, but I always pay with this when I'm not unlimited.
You can go back with the metro.
I don't want to go back to the metro. It's more tiring. Or
But we
what?
have to go with the car or no with the car.
We go check the car ride.
No, with the metro more convenient.
More convenient, more faster.
Yeah, because we're just going to change maybe one station there.
Okay. Dito na kami sa bus. Mine. But Dios, what can you say about the system here of Spain so far for the tarjeta público?
I don't know. I mean, bit bullshit, but I never had like that in Lithuania.
In your life. You never had too much trouble like this in document.
No. I mean, I never had a like monthly subscription, only when I was a kid, and it was many years ago. And then in my small city, only getting a paper, basically paper proof.
Really?
Yeah. like it would be easy to cheat on it.
So here it's complicated, no? But I actually don't know, love. I cannot complain here because I've been through worse in Philippines.
Yeah, I cannot really complain also because the site somehow didn't open at first, but then I scanned it open and was
Okay.
fine. It was fine. Select dates, everything.
But before kasi, hindi mo kailangan ng sita, hindi mo kailangan mag-appointment. Mag-walking ka lang and then they will do it. But this time, kailangan magpidir ng appointment. So, wala. So, nakabili naman kami ng SIM, so it's okay.
Terminal 4.
I'm gonna take a video of you going inside the airport, okay?
Others to get it.
Dito na kami ngayon sa airport. Nandito na kami ngayon sa airport. Pupunta kami. Dito kami kukuha ng metro, tarjeta publiko, yung card para sa public transport. Nakuha na ni Pao yung card niya. Nakakatawa yung picture kasi merong katabi. May lalaki katabi. Very fast, right? Now you can buy a load. Okay, magkakaalaman na kung tama ba ang iniksitan namin dalawa ni Pao papunta sa parking kasi hindi namin na-check kung saan yung exit. Oh no! Is it the same?
Oh no, it's
We
not.
will see.
I don't know.
The heck? We choose good. Somehow.
I think no, not really. I don't know because the other ones will be like here, so it's
The
kind
other
of
one we're gonna
the
be
same. We're going to like.
Either way, good choice because it's not there. Anong nangyari? Ba't kami napadpad dito ni Pao? Anong nangyari sa sita na kinuha ko kanina dun sa Avenida de America? Bueno, kasi kinuha na namin, naganap kami ng sita para today kasi yung sita na nakuha dun sa mobile, nung tumawag ako sa Avenida de America. They are Colegio Mayor High School.
There, but it's not for me.
Probably. So, yung kinuha na appointment kasi dun kanina is next week pa. Pwede namang ayusin ngayon. So, humanap kami ng available na makukuha ngayon. At nakakita kami ng sita sa airport. So, doon kami pumunta. At okay na siya. Right, love? You have a card already, no?
Yep, I have a card. First step to be a senior.
And also a SIM card you have already.
And SIM card.
Yeah.
Second step to be senior.
Yan.
The most easy steps are done.
Most easy service na. Ang problema naman yun, kailangan naman kumuha ng empadronamiento. Ang empadronamiento is like a census na nakatira siya. We'll see. Poco a poco, lab, right?
Poka.
Kala ko na wala na tong cup ko. Nakalimutan ko nung umihi ako sa airport. Binigay ko kay Pao. Sige, love. Here.
How much parking to leave the car?
But it's paid, no?
I don't know, or maybe for students. So good to place to leave the car here.
It kind of looks secured, no?
Yep.
Okay, car is okay, but still... Love, you can go there. Go there now. Good. Yeah.
That's what I'm standing.
Yeah, I have to go there. Okay. Oh no, love. Go now, fast. Faster, love. Love, she's now in a good side. Now we are in a good side.
No, we're in a good side.
Uwi na kami ni Pao. The car is safe and sound, thank God. And nakapark niya siya sa maayos kahapon. ano siya, trap sa gitna. Ngayon, okay na yung location niya. So, thank God. Right, love?
Yeah.